In this video, I will show you exactly how to sync your character lip movements with text files using Google Flow. Getting realistic dialogue synchronized to your animation is a game changer for digital storytelling, and it is easier than you might think. First, you need to navigate to your project timeline within the Google Flow interface. Once you are there, look for the settings gear located right next to the prompt area. This step is critical because you must verify that your workspace is running on the Veo 3.1 quality setting. Please avoid using Veo Fast or any of the older legacy modes because those versions do not support native dialogue lip synchronization. After you have confirmed your settings, it is time to bring in your audio. Click on the plus icon or the Add Media button located on your prompt dock to begin the upload process. Select your downloaded MP3 dialogue track from your computer and wait for it to finish uploading. Once the file is in your library, you can simply drag it onto your timeline where you want the character to start speaking. The engine will automatically analyze the waveform and align the character mouth movements to the phonetic data in your audio file. It is a seamless process that creates professional results in just a few clicks without any manual keyframing required. You can now preview your work and see how naturally the character responds to the voice track. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you bring your animated characters to life with perfect speech.